Egyptian Aviation Services Training Center is an authorized IATA training within the IATA certificates. Earn your IATA certificates with us.
IATA Aircraft Marshalling and Ramp Hand Signals, e-learning. IATA Airline Customer Service Fundamentals, e-learning. IATA Airport Emergency Response Awareness, e-learning. IATA Airport Ramp Services for the Leadership and Management Training Program with IGOM, partner-taught or self-study. IATA Assisting Travelers with Special Needs, partner-taught or self-study. IATA Basic Airside Safety, e-learning. IATA Cabin Crew, Leveraging Professional Skills, e-learning. IATA Dangerous Goods Regulations, DGR, for handling and loading personnel, e-learning. IATA Dangerous Goods Regulations, DGR, for general cargo accepting and processing personnel, e-learning. IATA Data Science, set your project up for success, e-learning. IATA Diversity and Inclusion, e-learning. IATA Ground Operations Management with AHM, partner-taught or self-study. IATA Human Factors for Ground Operations, Fundamentals, e-learning. IATA Human Trafficking Awareness, e-learning. IATA Overview of the Air Transportation System, e-learning. IATA Passenger Ground Services for the Leadership and Management Training Program, partner-taught or self-study. IATA Passenger Ground Services, partner-taught or self-study. IATA Safety Management Systems Fundamentals, e-learning. IATA Safety Management Systems, SMS, for Ground Operations, Fundamentals, e-learning. IATA Serving the Travel Customer, partner-taught or self-study. IATA Social Media Strategy for the Travel Industry, e-learning. IATA Travel Document and Entry Requirement Checks, e-learning.